going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back with another video with the guest star, the common guest star in Miss Candace. And as you guys can see here, I'm blockaded by a whole bunch of stuff from Amazon. Doing a massive tech unboxing. Mainly, so everything in this here, hey, is going to be for another video. But I'm gonna give you guys just like a little bit of a preview of what is to come. And I still have stuff that hasn't actually got here yet. So that stuff will be a surprise to you as well. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys ignite that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share this video on this channel everywhere who's interested in tech, gaming, fun, just some cool stuff. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, now Miss Candace, which one should we unbox first?
This one.
Alright. I gotta get them boxes out of the way, you know what I'm saying? Cause
this is all a surprise to me too, because I don't know what, I mean, he said some of the stuff he got, but I don't know what it looks like really, so yeah.
Tiger Claw, yeah. Okay, Tiger Claw mean today. Alright. Oh, hey. So, what do I have here?
It would be that.
It's a controller stand for PlayStation. You guys will see that in another video. So I'm being brief with that one. You can check it out, put that over there real quick. Hey!
Oh, this is a different, oh, this is a stand.
That's just a stand, yeah.
Not the charger.
Right, yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna let you guys know about that. Here is my Milanese band from V-Moro for my Galaxy Watch. It's kind of gray colored. Smartwatch band, V-Moro. It really doesn't say anything else. This might slightly be in another video. I'm not 100% certain. But we will see nonetheless. You guys will see it on the Galaxy Watch here. I'll put that over there. And last but not least in here, my ear band. Or ear muffs or cuffs, whatever you want to call them, because it gets cold, and rather than wearing a hat, I can put this on, by the way. You know, fresh cut.
I don't know why you wear a hat when you have a fresh cut.
Because it's the motto on this channel. Okay, put that over there. All right.
This is AirCuz. This is, oh.
You know what? Put this stuff on.
No, I've never seen them.
Put that stuff up here.
Where?
Oh, this. Yeah, that. Put that stuff up there. Yeah, boom. Yeah. That's something. Yeah. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. You guys kind of see. Now, what's next? The other envelope or a box?
Oh.
Envelope number 2, baby.
So is this mine?
No. Well, I mean, I guess you could probably put it in the room if you want to, since that's where our extra controller resides. But yeah, I'm gonna get that shelf like I said. You know what I'm saying? Get all the stuff to controller, you know what I'm saying? All right. Don't worry about the trash. What else we got? Another. Oh, okay. So TV backlight for our TV. About to light things up in the living room. Yeah, that's the light right there. You know what I'm saying? Just put that somewhere right there. And hey, some more PlayStation stuff. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know where everything was in these packages, so I was like, I'm gonna do an unboxing haul for you guys, so you guys can see for yourself what I got going on. Remember, you cut away from you.
These are coasters.
At all times. Yep. PlayStation labeled coasters or you know.
Libyan icon lights.
Okay. Libyan. All right. Hey. Oop. Let me not do that no more.
Yeah, it's like 1 in the morning.
It's a little late. All right. Here we go. Another PlayStation device here. It's another charging stand. Let's just go ahead and put that over here, you know what I'm saying? As everything starts getting overshadowed. Okay. Oh, hey.
Oh, so that's...
Put it on this box.
What is that?
The VPS Origin 3L. So it's a surge protector that stands up. You guys will see some footage of this. You guys have seen where I've charged stuff before in this video. This is going over there. It's from SafeMore. So it's a vertical power stacker. So matter of fact, this one I can buy on box right here and show y'all.
Yeah, because I want to see how this looks.
Yeah, so. Come here. Thank you. Alright. Bam!
Oh, wow.
Yep, so this piece is supposed to spin, I think. Oh. Okay, I don't know what that. Maybe that's the power for this. Now, I thought it spin unless there's a button. That's the fuse.
Does it have instructions? Patent.
Or maybe it doesn't.
Design. 360-degree non-block something. I don't know what that means. 360 is in it move. Does it have instructions?
No, it doesn't.
Oh, it does.
Oh, it does. So what is this here? You know, what I should do on there. Oh, this feels good right here. So I can't wait to rock this because I think it's gonna be cold tomorrow too. So this is my earmuffs.
Colorful wear.
Yeah, I know, that's a good question. These earmuffs are from Turtle Fur, mid-weight fleece. Turtle Fur. So I'm gonna have all the links down in the description for this stuff. Okay,
I don't see anything about rotating.
you don't? So maybe it doesn't rotate then. I mean, I guess maybe not looking at it, it doesn't.
Did you see one that rotated?
Nah, I didn't pay attention as to whether or not it did. And it doesn't. But nonetheless, you guys see here, you can plug things in on this side, plug things in on this side, plug things in on this side. Now, what I was told was it had, okay, USB is right here. So you got USB right here, USB right here. And the rest are regular plugs. So I'm glad to have those because I have some things that I will be utilizing with this. But over there, shit's starting to get blocked out.
Right.
Yeah, so you got my earmuffs here.
Yeah, let's see what you were talking about.
Oh, see, I should have checked on this first.
Turtle gear.
That's okay.
Turtle fur.
Hey, you know, ooh, shoot, my ear feel good and comfy too. A little tight.
What should you have checked off first?
Yeah. If I could actually like open it and put it on, as opposed to it already being compressed. But it's not, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to go skiing or whatever.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave it on though. Now, for the last box. God, I didn't even get the doggone. Okay, see, this box gotta be all ruined. Oh, there we go. There we go. Put tight claw away, you know what I'm saying? You gotta plug it in.
Oh, this is to turn, I think, one side off and one side on. You're not using it.
Oh, okay. Oh, this bad guy. Okay. Alright. You want to push that box down for me? Last item apparently. I guess that would be everything then.
Yeah. Oh, is it as big as this box? Are you serious?
So I think so. So you got so this is the Mr. Go Cube. I think I got the 10-inch size. It's called Light the World or Lighting the World.
Oh, it's lit.
So it all right, let's see if I can get this on out of here now.
Oh my god. Okay, I didn't think it was that big.
They weren't playing when they said it was gonna be big. This is a nice light bulb. On and off at the bottom. Open.
And you got right two there. Of those?
No, I got one of these.
Oh, I thought you said you got two.
No. So here, you open. I guess it's where you put power in. I guess it's. Okay. You want to go back in? Okay, come on. Really? That's what you forget.
What is that?
Oh, it's a little. Yeah, now I really want to go back.
There.
Yeah. She did it. All right. Then, oh, it's already charged.
So hold up.
Look at you. Okay.
I want to see what colors they rocking with.
All right, we're gonna turn these lights off so you guys can see this glow.
Yeah, you gonna turn them on?
Oh, you got the thing now? Oh.
Oh, yeah, turn off that light.
Ooh.
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 Scary. Okay, I dig it.
And then you could dim it if you want.
You guys remember Who's Afraid of the Dark?
Okay. Okay,
Oh, shoot. Oh.
That red though.
Y'all, that red. Oh.
Was that orange?
Best believe it's about to be in the videos, guys. Best believe. Ooh. Kinda dig that too. Okay.
Ooh. I like
That blue, man. That blue.
Oh, this is blue. This is like turquoise. This is aqua or something.
Yeah, aqua.
And then there's get 3 shades of blue. I like that too.
Guys, I'm about to change up how I like the studio video to come.
Ooh.
Yo.
Ooh, look at
Yo.
that pink.
Hold
I
up,
saw
guys.
that purple.
Hold up. Best believe.
Purple.
Okay, this earmuff thing getting on my nerves.
This is
Ooh,
blue.
it's hot. That's blue.
Ooh, it's lit.
Oh, shoot.
Ooh, it's a party in here.
Hey. Oh, is it rotating by itself?
Yeah.
Hey, all right, guys. That's it for this video. Hope you guys appreciated and enjoyed it. Oh, shoot. This is a scary movie for sure. All right, now one of us disappear. All right. So, hope you guys appreciate it. Be on the lookout for videos to come with all this designated for a specific video, except for the surge protector. You guys know what that is. But you guys are going to see this again for sure, because I have plans for this. I still don't know quite how I'm going to utilize it yet, but it's dope nonetheless. So, okay. Alright, guys. Well, your boy Versatile and little Miss Candace is signing out. And until the next video, Stark is in the building.
Wait, you said Stark?
Hey.
It's red. It looks orange, but it's red.
Woo. Wait for it.